Most Americans think they're bad at investing, but the truth is worse. They're making the same mistakes on repeat, and it's costing them millions over a lifetime. Here's the shocking part. The average American investor underperforms the market by 3 to 5% every year. That doesn't sound huge until you realize that's the difference between retiring rich or working forever. Mistake number 1. Americans invest, not logic.
When the market crashes, they panic and sell. When the market is booming, they buy at the top.
The financial news doesn't help either. Every headline screams fear or greed. Bad news gets clicks. Calm investing doesn't.
Mistake number 2. Chasing hot stocks, crypto tips, and the next big thing. By the time you hear about it, smart money already exited.
Most Americans don't have an investment plan. They just have accounts. No timeline, no strategy, no rules.
Here's how to fix all of this. Step 1. Automate your investing. Set it up, then stop touching it. Automation beats emotions every time.
Step 2. Invest in broad index funds, not hype. You're not trying to beat Wall Street, you're trying to join it. Step 3. Think long-term. The market rewards patience, not genius. Time matters more than timing. The biggest reason Americans are bad at investing is because they overthink it. Simple strategies done consistently beat complex ones almost every time. If you want financial freedom, stop reacting and start building. Subscribe for real money education without the hype.